Welcome to this quest to finish my PC build. So recently, or I guess 2 months ago, I decided to buy an RTX 3050, but that wasn't the beginning of the quest to find a graphics card. So basically, over a year ago, I decided to build a PC, this one over here, and I used the 1650 that I had from my previous main PC, which hopefully that video will be uploaded before this, so you have context. And because of how bad graphics card prices were, I decided to use that GPU in that PC. But then in January, I started a quest to go buy a 3050 so I could complete the build. So for the specs of this PC, excluding the graphics card, I have a Ryzen 7 3700X, 16 gigs of Corsair Vengeance LPX RAM because I didn't want RGB RAM, and it was cheaper at the time, and housed inside an NZXT H510. And the one part I was missing there, which I used the 1650 as a placeholder card, is the graphics card. That is not gonna make sense. So today let's go on a quest to find a graphics card. Let's time travel back to January, to the first time I went to Micro Center. So basically what happened here was that I waited for over 2 hours, and basically someone walked out with a sign that said no GPU lottery today, and I saw people were walking in and I thought that they were waiting for GPUs, but it turns out that they were actually waiting for an orientation or whatever, and the store opened. But I decided I just went back home in defeat. Fast forwarding to March, I decided, you know what, after I got paid or whatever, I decided to just go and buy an RTX 3050 from Newegg. And I made a video on it, just playing Minecraft RTX for whatever reason, on my other channel. And fast forward to today, I sold my RTX 3050 several days ago, and now I'm gonna go to Micro Center to buy an RTX 3060. Let's get into that. We're here. I keep forgetting how bipolar this weather is because it's literally raining right now. They sell iFixit toolkits here. Very retrofit. Even more. There's a toy section here, but this is not what I need. TVs. Bro, this looks like one of the projectors from my school. Google Homes. Whatever this is. Do they sell HomePods? Okay, now this is the PC section, which all I need is a graphics card in it. What the hell is this? 6900 XT. this is all AMD stuff. Why is it $6,600, $399? Never mind. Apparently have these too. What the hell? GT730s, 1052, 1650. They're all in the case. 3050, 3060. What the hell? Hey, what is this? It's one of these setups again. I don't know where you're supposed to play with it, but apparently EVGA makes keyboards too. I'm getting too carried away.
I'll go grab you one of these.
Okay.
Right back.
Yeah.
Was one of the best things. Okay.
Good gaming.
Especially that really good.
Oh my god, it's like Vision 36 or whatever that card is. Oh, you got it. It's already trading. Still very much a mixed blue like. They have the pulse fire haste here. Even more keyboards. Why does Asus make it? Oh my god. You have this out of all of the mechanical keyboards right here. They actually have GMMKs here. Well, something I don't see at Best Buy at all. Someone broke the switch. Maybe I should consider buying one of these for whenever I go to the Philippines or whatever. Oh. So I think I've heard that there's an Apple section here somewhere. Oh my god, there it is. But let's look at the PCs. I think these are all, I think there are some desktops over there. I don't know, I'm vlogging this. 5000 series. And I just found a 3070 Ti, but that looks like it's an Asus. And I heard it's pretty shit. What is this one? Way too expensive for me because I already have a system and I don't need a new one and I already built one. What? I think this is 3070 Ti. So it's, looks like 3070 or something. I don't even know. More laptops. Okay, apparently this is RTX. Where's the? I wonder if they have Razer stuff here. All these laptops, but not like these are all. Oh, they're over here. $3080. Where's the mechanical keyboards? So I thought Razer laptops had mechanical keyboards still. Apparently not. So I wonder what happened to that. Forgot they exist. This is all of the HPs. Oh, there's MSI. Still remember when, I don't remember, but I think there was a MSI laptop that literally had a full mechanical keyboard for some reason. But I think that's gone because it's been a while since that's been a thing. I could probably bring this to school if I wanted to. Oh my god. Okay, well, I mean, it's 60 hertz, but honestly, I don't really care. But I legit could bring this to school if I wanted to. Got some monitors here. Yeah, even more stuff here that I probably can't afford or something because I'm already buying a GPU and I already have a monitor, so I don't really need that. Look at the lowly Microsoft Surface stuff. I know one person that actually has a Surface and Intel Evo stuff that I don't. So this is the parent Apple section.
Not yet.
It's my iPad. Except, what is this color? This isn't GoPros. So this is all of the storage that's here. So many SD cards. There's literally Micro Center stuff. What do you do when it's your first time to go here? Even more systems. I don't even know what graphics card that is. This doesn't have a graphics card, but it has an 890. Okay, these are cases. Why does this have no side panel? What the f is this? There's literally like no top or... Oh, there's like test... This does not make sense. I buy power stuff. Lee and Lee. Where this is. I haven't seen an H510 in here. I think this is the 011 dynamic. And then this is the mini. So this is H710? I don't think they have the new H... There's the H510i. The H510. Whoa, which I kind of want to get. Somebody scratched the paint on this. And whatever the hell this is, it's also another H510. Okay. We got more H510s. I did not see an H1 here. Yeah, that's an H210i. Where the frick is the H5, no, the H1s. Apparently they don't have it here. Okay, I'm done now. Yeah, these switches sound interesting. iMacs. And they don't have iPhones here.
So it was 471.92. And I always wish I would get it low because they go to the time.
It's the Quadros. So, did you finally finish that build you've wanted to be building for a while now? I guess I could say yes, that I finally finished this build. Although I thought I've finished it when I bought that RTX 3050, I didn't really think I was really finished with that build until now. And I think I'm honestly just pretty satisfied. I didn't really care which RTX 3060 I got or whether or not I want to get a 3070 or whatever, but after several months, probably almost a whole year since actually building the PC when I was still using the Midget 1650. I guess I could say it took over a year before I actually got a graphics card, but I mean, how much was the graphics card back in 2021? So yeah, I think, I guess it's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and then maybe consider subscribing. I definitely do want to do more with this channel or whatever, with this tech channel, and I guess I'll see you guys next time. This is probably also going to be the only video of this type on here, unless I build another PC. But, you know, we're still going to be rocking with the other PCs that I have on the ground near the table. That's right next to my main table, so bye!